How to adjust table application properties. This is the second video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use default on, how to use structure pronunciation, how to use feature lock, how to use spin, how to enable the table ruler, and how to change the language of the table. Let's look at the first one, how to use default on. You can tap on the setting icon, and then this application properties menu will pop up. Choose the live mode icon. This is the live mode icon here, and also you can I'm going to explain about the live mode, what it does. Right now we are just setting up, so that's going to be under a video. It's called, you can look for the video with title how to use live mode tools. So this icon shows blood circulation. You can choose let the heart, see the heartbeat in here, and then this one is a learning assistant icon, and when you tap on it, the information about that specific part you're looking for, it's coming up, like function name of that specific part. It's popping up, and like vein, artery popping up. And if you tap again on it, you can remove it. You can see these two icons on here, and also you can see it in here. And again, I will explain that. You can look for the video how to use live mode tool. The next one is how to use. The next one is how to use the structure pronunciation. I'm trying to explain them in order. So this one is for structure pronunciation. When you tap on it, you enable it, and that's going to read aloud selected structure for you. If you tap again, you can disable this part. This icon is the skip left and right icon. So the table will, when you tap on it, the table will only read the structure name without identifying which side of the body is on. If you tap again, you turn it off, then the table will identify left or right side of the body. And the next one is how to use this feature lock. When you tap on it, this window comes up and it's asking you what features you want to lock. Maybe you want the students take a quiz and you won't lock it, or maybe you put pins on your model. You don't want a student add more pin on that structure. You can watch other videos to see how these functions, and then you want to lock it, then students cannot change those. In order to do that, tap on here. You can see the keyboard coming up, and you definitely need to choose a password. If you want to disable the password, you need to tap it again to disable the password. So I'm just closing the window here and here. The next one is how to use the spin. If you tap on it, highlighted now. If you tap on it, highlighted, that means you can rotate an image, and if you disable it, then the image cannot be rotated. And the next one is how to enable the table ruler. If you highlight on it, if I highlighted on, you can see on the top of the table here, the ruler is popping up. If I disable it now, tapping on it, it's gone. Here, I disabled it. So you can remove that. And the last part here is the language. The default language is English. And when a language, let me tap on it, you can see there are different languages here. The if the language, when the language changes, the Windows system locale also need to be changed. So you need to change the language in the Windows, and that before the translation takes place, that has to be changed as well.